And boom, welcome back to another video. Telling you, swallow your pride, get a walking stick. It's honestly like having a third leg, well, fourth leg for me. Okay, we've done the hard bit now. Okay, so we've just peeked out at the top a little bit here. See the clouds sort of coming in over there as well. That last bit is an absolute jonga. In fact, anyway, as you can see there, somewhat sombering reminder. Nearly fell over there. This is where we start seeing the start of the wreckage. So I don't think I mentioned yet, but you can probably tell from the flag it was the American Air Force B-29. Oh. And it wasn't during the war, contrary to popular belief. And the weather just changes completely. You can see all that cloud over there. So it's rolling this way. So yeah, it's definitely not going to be a clear night. Well, I mean, it is now. We can see Manchester, lovely. We're in, beds up. Probably time for a bit of snapping, I reckon. Oh, it's piping out, that's good. Sounds slimy and smells good. That's usually a good sign. Sorry, what? I would consider myself somewhat of a strawberry pencil connoisseur, and these don't look like the best strawberry pencils I've ever seen.
Well, the wind has picked up further. See where the snow is drifting. Not blowing. Could ideally be pitched narrow end into the wind. Well, as you can probably see, I'm awake. Slept for about 40 minutes and the wind has come in heavy. There's the shoes, bag, water. Okie dokie, that's us all packed away. This is where we were. We're so back in the motor. All the best, thanks for watching, see you next time.